Okay, I remember one time I had to keep pistol starting this level, and it was hell. But the thing is, I was playing on keyboard only because I was out on a road trip, and also I didn't know about that Megasphere secret. So, oh, hello, Spider Mastermind. Good morning to you too. Ow! It's fine as long as I don't die. Yeah. It's fine. I can take like as much damage as I want because then I can just go boom. Also, I have no idea how you're supposed to know that that secret is there. Ignore that. I was just... Oh, okay. I don't know why it went down there. I guess I thought it would teleport me back up. Alright, please just be... Society. Uh-oh. I don't think I can go back up until it starts crushing them again. Okay, there we go. Should I get the plasma gun? I feel like that's a good idea, actually. So yeah. I'm gonna get the oh my god. I'm gonna get the plasma gun and then all the plasma ammo. Alright, you see that big, oh, it just started into a little piece now. It's really funny. Oh my god. Okay, I thought that would teleport me back up here again. Why do they call it? If they ever make a version of Doom for conservatives, they should call the Megasphere the Magasphere. Get it? Cause like, it's like whatever. I don't know. Whatever they're called. Yeah. Make America grunt again. Maybe they should just call it the freaky sphere. That name would go hard. Okay, I think the focus just like messed me up in the head. Like seriously. Okay, so after the crusher is dead simple, and that's when my recording will end today, I guess. I don't know. Or I might keep going because I'm bored and I have nothing better to do. I guess I could work on the FNAF games. Okay, finally I can get the super shotgun. Okay, I don't care. Okay, I thought that would do more damage. Hey! Ow! That's actually fine. I have a Megasphere. I could literally just go up to this guy and punch him. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. I just like if I can get a Megasphere and then in like pretty soon that I'm just like, okay, as long as I don't die. Oh, that guy had like 5 seconds, like not 5 seconds. He had 5 milliseconds to scream at me. Or probably at the explosive barrel before he died. Oh god. Oh right, there's an energy cell pack, and I want that. Of course I want that. Okay, bye everybody. out of... No. I'm too scared of wasting ammo to use the plasma gun. But I guess I should just use it whenever. Cause like... Yeah, this is the end of the level. Oh, that's not... Cool, I crushed this level just like the Crusher! Crush! Oik! Prepare thyself! I